Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi extender on your Xbox. If your gaming setup is far from your router, you might experience slow speeds or frequent disconnections. A Wi-Fi extender can significantly boost your signal, providing a more stable and faster connection. This means smoother online gaming and quicker downloads, enhancing your overall Xbox experience. It's a simple solution for common connectivity issues. When selecting an extender, prioritize dual-band models supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies for better speed and less interference. Many gamers prefer extenders with an Ethernet port, allowing a direct, wired connection to the Xbox for maximum stability. Powerline adapters offer another excellent option, utilizing your home's electrical system to extend network access. Always check compatibility with your current router. To set up your extender, first find an optimal location, ideally about halfway between your router and your Xbox. Plug it into a power outlet and wait for the power light to become solid. Next, use the extender's dedicated mobile app or a web browser to access its setup page. You'll then connect it to your existing Wi-Fi network and create a new, distinct network name and password for the extended signal. Now, let's connect your Xbox. Go to your Xbox's network settings. You should see the new extended Wi-Fi network name you just created. Select it and enter the password. If your extender has an Ethernet port, consider connecting your Xbox directly with a cable for the most reliable connection. Finally, run a network connection test on your Xbox to verify everything is working perfectly and to check your new, improved speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.